Okay. Morgan is.
Oh, wait, it's recording. Go ahead.
Okay. Morgan is currently cutting.
Wait, no, this is definitely longer. Look at
Morgan's cutting Mark's hair, and to avoid, like hair everywhere,
Shut
we're going
up.
to vacuum.
No. He's cutting my head. I cannot move. You're gonna cut off my head. Stop it.
And here's the epic fight between Casey and Mark.
Oh, that looks so reasonably okay.
It looks reasonable.
I
I'll catch you
know,
in the
it looks
kidneys.
reasonably. Wait, we need a camera. Okay, Mark,
I just got hair everywhere.
look at the back of your neck.
Don't kill Casey!
You're pointing to the front of my head.